kolok-kolok mentangi lah koi hang yang yuan pe football tasi hang ni apa puluh mah boleh kai Shillong lajong bandar is te dan bok hi ngiru ngila yo tiket nam si sejan ngila ap kalanya ko lain kra tapi nadu suppose teng men step adu san steng jan miat ni yo ka tiket la tangan ro la shu shat tangan ngawe ni la sha yu slap ye tang ban yo wan pe football te mentangi la yo tiket la shu kini te mentangi la yo te mentangi la don hang ni so ban yo tiket em ani ba jara te cuan ki ni ba tiket apa lai mkhra ni lai tiket ni terbok ni yo nama dia tur be sakhan ni sayo ladang yang be haulanya gim yo ara ni apsa tulan kan dia dan bok tu smart
opposite staircase number 1, south stand opposite staircase number 8 and 10, east stand opposite staircase number 12 and 14. Drinking water is available.
Kita ngomong fans ni te ek do ek perbandang yata ki supaya nak berkhidmat.
Brilliant, of course, combination there this time. Brilliantly put in as well. And straight away, Northeast United have taken the lead in this first semi-final of the Durand Cup. Thoi Singh at the end of a beautiful cross, silencing the Nehru Stadium in Shillong. And here's one of them. Onto jersey number 21 now. Goes for that long-range shot. Gurmeet doing just about enough.
In the middle of the park, every time he gets the ball, look at that. Nobody really attacking him. He takes a swipe at the goal.
Here's Nest, a beautiful touch, beautiful turn. Tries to find a Jare, brilliant touch. And what again misses the first.
Smoke number shot kept.
Nama money is a small pie. Today is a spang up and pie later.
And that's one can did the one shot kept.
Here's Hamza. Space down that left flank. Parthiv Gogoi. There are two players inside. Who's he going to go for? He's going to go for it all by himself. Parthiv Gogoi getting the third goal of the night, and surely now Northeast United have found themselves a spot in the final of this edition's Durand Cup.